Picture a room of executives who just discovered the magic of real-time data. The CEO orders, buy 100 sensors, wire up every machine. By next month, we are a smart factory. That Big Bang approach is a highly efficient way to incinerate $10 million. Applying new technology to an entire workforce simultaneously functions like an uncalculated organ transplant. Without preparation, the host body will aggressively reject the change. The first systemic failure is human resistance. 500 confused employees suddenly have to use a system they don't understand, flooding managers with complaints and active defiance. Then come the bugs. Because every machine is connected on day one, a single software misconfiguration or a faulty sensor halts the entire assembly line. Financial devastation follows. Troubleshooting a complex network of 100 failing installations at once drains capital significantly faster than adjusting a single unit. A failed Big Bang rollout destroys employee trust. Once the floor loses faith in management's technical choices, future modernization becomes nearly impossible. Business diagnosticians, known as shindanshi, use a different philosophy. Start small, learn fast, and scale continuously. Consider Siam Auto Parts. Management was about to force 50 inventory tablets onto a warehouse crew that was already threatening to strike. The consultants intervened by locking 48 of those tablets inside a safe. They deployed exactly 2 onto the floor. They targeted low-hanging fruit, a simple, isolated problem that required minimal effort but yielded a highly visible result. To ensure success, they found a champion. They ignored the areas of high resistance and deployed the tablet specifically to Zone 3 because it was run by a tech-receptive manager. Limiting the technology to a single zone drops the operational risk to 0. If the tablets fail, the rest of the factory's revenue continues to flow. For 2 weeks, IT personnel stayed in Zone 3, fixing small bugs and adjusting the software to the workers' specific needs in real time. Zone 3 reached 100% inventory accuracy almost immediately. The workers there began finishing their shifts without stress and leaving exactly on time. The rest of the factory noticed. Witnessing that efficiency created a form of productive jealousy among the other exhausted workers. The strike threat vanished. The workers who previously fought the technology were now walking into the manager's office demanding those tablets for their own zones. The pilot project uses technical debugging as a vehicle to achieve a psychological flip, transforming deep-seated fear into active demand. This psychology can be standardized into a 5-point blueprint for any organization. First, find a champion on the floor. Second, target the low-hanging fruit to secure an immediate, visible impact. Third, measure your baseline data beforehand to prove the success. Fourth, keep IT in the gemba to adapt the tools daily based on worker feedback. Fifth, publicly celebrate the pilot's victory. This communicates to the entire company that embracing technology leads directly to recognition and reward. Sun Tzu famously prioritized the strategic work that happens inside the command tent. He argued that a winning strategist calculates and secures the victory long before the actual combat begins. Digital transformation succeeds through the accumulation of small, undeniable victories. A company's most valuable resource is the workforce's belief that the technology actually works for them.